Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RubyC, and I'm back today with a new video. So this video I've done like I think 5 years ago, and I haven't done another one since, like an updated one. So I figured why not record while I'm doing it. So I'm talking about mini twists. So fall is coming up, and usually my fall style is mini twists or some type of other protective style that involves twists or braids. So I was like, okay, fall starts tomorrow. Let's get these mini twists in. So y'all are gonna watch me. Most likely it's gonna be a voiceover while I'm doing the whole thing. I'm hoping to be done by 10 o'clock. Right now it's 4:30, but we'll see. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get right on into it. Alright y'all, so to do this style, I'm going to be using Cantu's Coconut Curling Cream and the Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel, and I'm going to oil my scalp with my homemade Ayurvedic hair oil. So to do the parts, I started off using a comb, but eventually I just used my fingers. In the back, it doesn't really matter if the parts are straight or not, just because the twists cover them, but if you want super straight parts, do your thing. So that is how the back looked, and I think I cleaned it up when I started doing like the middle section. But other than that, I'm just going to use my fingers to create the parts. Like I said, I'm going to moisturize my hair with the curling cream, then add the twist and lock gel on top, and then I'm going to twist all the way down. And one thing I learned from doing these twists over and over like throughout the years is that don't pull your hair tight when you're doing the twist. Otherwise, the twist will come out really short and it'll take you forever to twist. So just twist all the way down, like straight down. And that is how it is once I finish the twist. So I'm just going to skip to 2 hours later when I finally finish the back. So that's what the twists are looking like. Springy, juicy, looking cute. So I'm going to move on to the side section. And it's just the same thing over again. So I'm going to start off by oiling my scalp with my Ayurvedic hair oil. Massage it a little. And then I'm going to start to part and do the same thing over. So 2.5 hours later after that, I finally got to the front. So I'm just showing you guys how I do the last couple of twists. And one thing that I didn't mention is that I like to twist tightly at the root, but other than that, I twist straight down loosely down the hair strands. And that's just because it keeps the twists in longer when you twist at the root, keeps it neater, just makes it last longer. So, yeah. And this is the end result, y'all. So usually the twists, they take a while to like kind of suck up all the moisture and like shrink up. So yeah, that's how it's looking. That's how the back is. Making it shake for y'all. Looks nice, juicy, moisturized. I just love these twists. And I kept them in for 3 weeks, y'all. So they lasted me a long time. So what I'm going to do next is just, you know, give it a little razzle dazzle. Add like some clips, add some shells, you know, make it look cute. And that is what it's looking like. So I decided to do a side part. And I'm just showing you guys like, you know, what I added. But that's pretty much it. So let me know if you guys are going to try mini twists for the fall. Let me know if you like this, what other type of styles you guys want to see me do. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.